And so Danny already did a little traction and stim. As you can see the marks there, but we're gonna kind of do a little bit of trigger point stuff here and loosen up a little bit more to get it ready for the adjustment. So just gonna rub this in. This stuff is amazing. If you've never tried it, it really helps to soothe the muscles. It penetrates pretty deep, so it helps to get those muscles nice and relaxed. So just gonna do a little digging in here. You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not shy here. I want
a little awkward.
I want to dig in here, and really you can see that red response, and that's what we're looking for. Just an indication that that muscle is responding. We're just pushing out all that lactic acid, trying to work out some of those adhesions within the muscle belly and really kind of loosen that up. Same thing on this side. Good. Like to even do a little bit of distraction, and so that's just kind of taking those vertebrae and pulling them apart a little bit. It really relieves a lot of pressure in there. So, all right, that's good there. While we got them here, let's keep them here. I'm just gonna come right into check the thoracics. So, take a deep breath for me, let it all out. Good. Same thing here. Good. Bring it all the way over here. Good. And right there, it's already starting to move. Good.